Welcome everyone to a new video where we uncover the top 5 monthly paying dividend stocks. If you're new to the world of investing or simply looking to diversify your portfolio, you're in the right place. Today, we're focusing on dividend stocks, a popular investment strategy that can provide a steady income stream. So, what exactly are dividend stocks? In simple terms, these are shares in a company that pays out a portion of its earnings to shareholders, typically on a regular basis. These payments, known as dividends, can be a great way to earn passive income. And the best part? Some companies pay these dividends every month. Now let's introduce our top picks for monthly paying dividend stocks. We've done the research, crunched the numbers, and selected 5 stocks that not only pay dividends each month, but also offer potential for growth and stability. First up, we have Realty Income Corporation, or O for short. This company is a real estate investment trust, known for its impressive track record of consistent dividend payments. Next, we'll be discussing APLE Hospitality REIT, abbreviated as APLE. This is another real estate investment trust, but it operates in the hospitality sector, owning a portfolio of hotels across the United States. Our third pick is AGNC Investment Corp, also known by its ticker symbol AGNC. This company operates in the mortgage sector, investing in mortgage-backed securities. Then we have ARMOUR Residential REIT, or ARR. Like AGNC, ARR is involved in the mortgage industry, but with a different investment strategy. Last but certainly not least, we'll be talking about Main Street Capital, known as Main on the stock market. This business development company invests in both debt and equity of smaller and middle market companies. These 5 stocks offer a diverse range of investment opportunities, each with its own unique potential for returns. So whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. Stay tuned as we delve into the details of each stock and why they made it to our list. Thanks for tuning in, viewers. If you're finding this content valuable, there's so much more to come, filled with even more amazing tips, tricks, and inspiration. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay connected with us and never miss out. And while you're at it, drop a comment below and share this video with your friends. First up, we have Realty Income Corporation, better known by its ticker symbol O. A stalwart in the world of dividend investing, O is a favorite among those seeking consistent monthly income. But what makes it such a popular choice? Well, let's start with its annual yield. Realty Income Corporation boasts a remarkable annual yield of around 4.5%. In an era where savings accounts struggle to offer even a 1% return, this is an impressive figure that can significantly boost your passive income. But an attractive yield isn't the only thing that makes O stand out. The company's business model also plays a crucial role in its success. Realty Income Corporation is a real estate investment trust, or REIT for short. This means it owns and manages income-generating properties, primarily in the retail sector. Think convenience stores, drugstores, dollar stores, businesses that are resistant to economic downturns and the rise of e-commerce. This focus on recession-resistant properties gives O a unique stability that is hard to find elsewhere. The company's stability extends to its dividend payments too. Realty Income Corporation has been paying dividends monthly since 1994. That's over 3 decades of consistent income for its shareholders. Not only that, but it has also increased its dividend over 90 times in that period. This steadfast commitment to rewarding its investors is part of what makes O such a compelling choice for those seeking monthly income. Furthermore, the company's track record is a testament to its ability to weather economic storms. It has managed to maintain and even increase its dividend in times of economic uncertainty. This resilience is largely due to its focus on leasing properties to high-quality tenants under long-term net lease agreements. These agreements ensure that the tenants take on most of the property-related expenses, thereby providing a steady stream of rental income for O. In addition, Realty Income Corporation's diversified portfolio of over 6,000 properties spread across 49 states ensures that its income stream is not reliant on any single tenant, industry, or geographic location. This diversification further enhances its stability and ability to consistently deliver on its monthly dividends. In summary, Realty Income Corporation, or O, offers an impressive annual yield, has a robust and resilient business model, and has an unmatched track record of consistent dividend payments. Its focus on recession-resistant properties and its diversified portfolio make it a stable investment choice capable of weathering economic ups and downs. So, if you're looking for a monthly dividend payer with a proven track record, a stable business model, and a high annual yield, Realty Income Corporation is a compelling choice to consider. With its impressive annual yield, O stands out as a great choice for monthly income. Next on our list is APLE Hospitality REIT, or APLE. Now, APLE Hospitality REIT isn't the tech giant you might be thinking of. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust, and this company is one of the largest hotel owners in the industry. With its impressive portfolio of over 200 high-quality hotels spread across 33 states, APL has become a key player in the hospitality sector. But let's talk numbers for a moment. APLE's annual yield is quite attractive. It has a robust yield of 7.5%, which is considerably higher than the average yield of other stocks in the S&P 500. This high yield is a testament to the company's commitment to distributing consistent monthly dividends to its shareholders. Speaking of consistency, APLE Hospitality REIT has a track record that's as steady as a metronome. Despite the ups and downs that the real estate sector often faces, APLE has continued to provide reliable dividends to its shareholders. This consistency is a result of the company's diversified portfolio and its excellent management team, who have shown time and time again their ability to navigate the often turbulent waters of the real estate market. But why should you consider investing in APLE? Well, aside from its high yield and consistent dividends, APLE's strong portfolio makes it a good investment. The company owns a wide variety of high-end hotels, which gives it a significant advantage over its competitors. This diverse portfolio not only provides a stable source of income, but also reduces the risk associated with investing in a single type of property. Moreover, APLE's strategic focus on the upscale segment of the hospitality market also positions it well for growth. As consumers continue to demand higher quality accommodations and services, APLE's portfolio of upscale hotels is ideally suited to meet this demand. Furthermore, APLE's management team has proven its ability to create value for shareholders. Through strategic acquisitions and efficient operations, they have consistently grown the company's earnings and, by extension, its dividends. So, if you're looking for a dividend stock with a high yield, a strong portfolio, and a track record of consistency, APLE Hospitality REIT might just be the apple of your eye. From its diverse portfolio of upscale hotels to its strategic focus on growth, APL has all the ingredients to make it a solid pick for any investor. In conclusion, APLE's strong portfolio and consistent dividend payments make it a solid pick. So, if you're in the market for a monthly paying dividend stock that offers both stability and growth, you might want to take a closer look at APLE Hospitality REIT. Moving on, we have AGNC Investment Corp, or AGNC. This company is a real estate investment trust, or REIT, that primarily invests in agency mortgage-backed securities. These are securities that are guaranteed by U.S. government-sponsored entities, which gives AGNC's investments a layer of protection against default risk. Now let's talk about AGNC's annual yield. It's a number that is sure to raise some eyebrows. AGNC boasts a hefty annual yield of over 10%. Yes, you heard that right, over 10%. This is significantly higher than the average dividend yield of the S&P 500, which hovers around 2%. This high yield is a result of AGNC's business model, which involves leveraging short-term debt to make long-term investments in mortgage-backed securities. But of course, a high yield is meaningless if a company can't sustain its dividend payments. So, how does AGNC fare on this front? Quite well, actually. AGNC has a strong track record of consistent monthly dividend payments. In fact, the company hasn't missed a dividend payment since it was founded in 2008. That's a streak of over 16 years, which is quite impressive. AGNC's business model allows it to generate a stable cash flow. The company borrows money at short-term interest rates and invests it in long-term government-guaranteed mortgage-backed securities. The spread between the short-term borrowing cost and the long-term investment yield is where AGNC makes its profit. This spread is typically positive, which allows AGNC to earn a steady income and pay out consistent dividends. Investing in AGNC comes with its own set of risks, as with any investment. The company's business model is sensitive to interest rate fluctuations. If short-term interest rates rise significantly, it could squeeze AGNC's profit margins. However, the company has a team of experienced risk managers who actively manage its interest rate risk. In addition, AGNC's investments in government-guaranteed mortgage-backed securities provide a layer of protection against default risk. This means that even if homeowners default on their mortgages, AGNC's investments are still guaranteed by the U.S. government. This reduces the risk of loss and provides a level of security for AGNC's investors. In conclusion, AGNC Investment Corp is a high-yielding dividend stock with a proven track record of consistent dividend payments. Its business model allows it to generate a stable cash flow and pay out hefty dividends. However, like any investment, it comes with its own set of risks, which investors should thoroughly understand before making an investment decision. AGNC's high yield and consistent dividend payments prove it's a worthy investment. Next up, we have ARMOUR Residential REIT, commonly known as AARR. Dipping our toes into the world of real estate investment trusts, or REITs for short, we find ARR. This company is an intriguing choice for anyone looking to add some monthly dividend income to their portfolio. So let's dig a little deeper into why this REIT has made our list. First off, let's talk about ARR's annual yield. For the uninitiated, the annual yield is essentially the rate of return you can expect on your investment over a year. ARR boasts a rather impressive annual yield. This high yield is due in large part to the company's successful business model, which we'll delve into next. ARR operates in the residential mortgage-backed securities market. In layman's terms, they buy up residential mortgages, package them into securities, and then earn income from the interest on these mortgages. It's a model that's been proven to work, and work well for ARR. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds risky. What if people stop paying their mortgages? And you'd be right. It could be risky. But ARR has a trick up its sleeve. They focus on mortgages that are guaranteed by U.S. government agencies. This means that even if the homeowners default on their loans, ARR still gets paid. It's a clever strategy that mitigates risk and has helped ARR to maintain a strong and consistent performance. One of the things that sets ARR apart from other REITs is its commitment to paying dividends. The company has a long history of consistent monthly dividend payments. For investors, this means a steady stream of income month after month. But it's not just the consistency of ARR's dividends that's impressive, it's also the size of them. ARR has one of the highest dividend yields in the REIT sector. This makes it an attractive option for income-focused investors. ARR isn't just a good investment because of its dividends, though. The company also has a reputation for its strong business model. ARR's focus on government-guaranteed mortgages gives it a level of stability that's hard to find in other REITs. Plus, the company's experienced management team has a proven track record of navigating the highs and lows of the real estate market. To sum it all up, ARMOUR Residential REIT has a lot going for it. A high annual yield, a strong and proven business model, and a track record of consistent dividend payments. It's no wonder that AR has earned a spot on our list of the 5 best monthly paying dividend stocks. AR's dependable dividends and strong business model make it a top pick. Last, but certainly not least, we have Main Street Capital, or Main. This Houston-based business development company is a force to be reckoned with in the world of monthly paying dividend stocks. Main has carved out a niche for itself in the middle market, providing long-term debt and equity capital to lower middle-market companies and debt capital to middle-market companies. Main's annual yield is an impressive 6.7%. That's right, 6.7. This yield is a testament to the company's robust financial health and its ability to generate consistent profits. It's worth noting that this yield is not just a one-off. Main has been maintaining and even increasing its dividend yield over the years. This trend is a clear indication of Main's financial stability and its commitment to rewarding its shareholders. Main has a strong track record that's worth exploring. Since its IPO back in 2007, Main has consistently paid out dividends to its shareholders every single month. That's a streak of over 180 months. Moreover, the company has been increasing its dividends, showing an average annual growth rate of about 6.8% over the last 10 years. This consistent performance, even in the face of economic downturns, speaks volumes about Main's resilience and reliability. So why is Main a good investment? Well, there are a few reasons. Firstly, Main's focus on the middle market gives it access to a wide range of investment opportunities, which can lead to higher returns. Furthermore, Main's experienced management team has a proven track record of making smart investment decisions. This expertise, combined with the company's strong financials, makes Main a compelling investment option. Another reason to consider Main is its commitment to shareholder value. Main's consistent dividend payments are a clear demonstration of this commitment. The company understands the importance of rewarding its shareholders and strives to do so through its impressive dividend yield. Finally, Main's robust business model and diversified portfolio also contribute to its appeal as an investment. The company's investments are spread across a wide range of industries, which helps to mitigate risk. Moreover, Main's focus on long-term investments aligns well with the needs of dividend investors, who are typically looking for stable, reliable returns over the long haul. In conclusion, Main's impressive annual yield, strong track record, and consistent dividend payments make it a compelling choice for investors seeking monthly paying dividend stocks. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, Main offers a great opportunity to generate steady income. Main's strong track record and reliable dividends make it a standout choice. So there you have it, the top 5 monthly paying dividend stocks. Let's roll back the tape a bit and revisit these sterling performers. Realty Income Corporation, a reliable player known for its consistency, offers a solid annual yield. APLE Hospitality REIT, a strong contender in the hospitality industry, is another one to watch, with its impressive annual yield that provides a steady income stream. Next up, AGNC Investment Corp. Now here's a company with a robust portfolio that has proven its mettle in the world of real estate investment. Its annual yield? Quite substantial and well worth considering. Then we have ARMOUR Residential REIT, a heavyweight in the residential real estate market. Boasting a generous annual yield, it's a stock that promises to be a solid addition to any portfolio. And finally, Main Street Capital. A shining star in the business development sector, it offers an attractive annual yield that's hard to ignore. Each of these stocks brings something unique to the table, whether it's industry dominance, impressive yields, or a track record of consistent payouts. And the best part? They all pay out monthly, providing a steady and reliable source of income for investors. Investing in these stocks is not just about the potential for financial gain. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing your money is working for you, even when you're not. It's about the confidence that comes from building a diversified portfolio that can weather market storms. So, as you plan your investment strategy, consider adding these monthly paying dividend stocks to your portfolio. They could provide the financial stability you're seeking while also offering the potential for significant growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do subscribe, like, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more investment insights.